Maybe let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay
I park here. Oh shit. Alright. Alright. Let's go. I'm vlogging today. I'm finally gonna restart vlogging again. Okay. Welcome to Tun's vlog. It's been a while since I vlogged. And today we're gonna do something special. I haven't done. We're gonna do an NDP video, a short video that I've thought of doing. That's why I got my cousin to come along to film. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be exciting. You guys are gonna see the behind the scenes. Let's go. And the MBS is behind, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Right now the only problem is that that's one problem. This part is corridor off. Fuck. Dude, it is contained off. We can't even go here. But it's fine. It's fine, bro. You know why? Because I just needed this background. And I just needed this path. Yeah, here it's fine. I guess this video is a good one to raise awareness to not ask people not to litter. Because you guys freaking litter. This whole part is freaking corridor off. Don't litter with the frick. Alright, so filming the scene 2, which is technically scene 1 don't need to film because I used stock footages. But Wang here, hey Wang. So he's gonna help me with the gimbal.
Of course.
He's gonna help me, yeah. He's gonna help me with the second shot, and it's gonna go well. Alright, let's go. Okay, there's a wrap around here. We only got 3 more shots.
Not a wrap yet.
Technically, not really, but 3 more shots, then we can go eat dinner. George, are you hungry?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm hungry too. Okay, 3 more shots. I'm starving, bro. Okay.
No.
We can. Not this to vlog. Alright, bro.
The win is the paid actor.
The win is the paid actor. How are you feeling? Are you excited for the fireworks?
Yeah.
Hi, welcome to shooting night with Wang and Tun. As you can see, man has a sniper.
Security guard stopped me for a reason.
Freak. So he's using my Gorilla Pod with his, what is it, 7200? Why? Explain your own gear, come.
Okay, so this is my most expensive investment. 7200 f2.4. I don't think you can hear it, but okay.
You can hear it.
Alright.
The room mic.
It's very expensive because it's 2.8 and you can zoom into 200 view.
What's the aperture?
f2.8.
F2.8, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So what are you shooting, bro?
Okay, so earlier on I shot that over there. You can see that Marina Bay Sands with the silhouette of the people below it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I zoomed in all the way and I got this shot.
Cool.
See from here?
No, I can't see.
Okay,
That's right. No, I'll put the photo here. Right. Put the photo here. Okay, let me show you guys like a selfie mode. I'll show you. What's up? What's up? Right. So NBS is behind. So then we have fireworks right there. And yeah, I don't want more to do. After filming, hey George, what's up? Alright guys, so that's the end of the vlog. We just ate Mukata. George just left. He asked me to freaking film it at the end with George. So George, just to shout you out. Thanks for today if you're watching this video. Okay, anyway, we're going to his house to watch a movie, then yeah, we'll call it a day. Bye bye. Thanks for watching the vlog.